Okay, to remove a curl case, this is all you do. You grab CurlCase like so, put arm up like so, slide off like so, shake it out like so, and that's it. That's how you wear and remove a curl case. Look at that. Not a curl misplaced. Not a curl frizzed up. They're exactly like they were when I put them in my case. And now I'll show you how to put it right back on, because this time I don't have makeup, so now you guys can see. So again, this is how I do it. If you want to just, you can. I don't want to because I feel like it's going to take my curls out of place. So I just do one of these. Kind of like when you put on stockings, but, or kind of like how you would put on a t-shirt when your hair is wet and you like don't want your hair to touch the back of your neck. At least I know I don't. So you do one of those. You do one of these. I kind of like to shake my hair back out to where it was because this is exactly how I want it to be in the morning. And then you look for the inside though. Here's what's nice about the curl case. You can wear it either way. Either way is fine. This fine is more shiny, but they're actually both just as soft. Okay? But I'm going to wear it the way the normal way that I do, which is just the shiny side out. And then you just flip. Kind of get it right where you need it, which is like right there. See? There it is. And then you just whoop, behind the ears. And that's it. I've been curl cased, y'all. Look how, oh, this is my favorite color. Look at that. It matches my nails. Oh. Sorry guys, I'm just admiring my curl case. I got a case of the curls. So I got a curl case.